A further understanding of nature can be gained by uploading goddess energy into your intuitive team of guides. Along with the others, Kuan Yin, for example, can help. It is unlikely that she or any other divine feminine energy will have been an accepted part of your judgment before now. In the consensus that people have lived with, most mainly feminine traits like intuition, nurturance, patience, and forgiveness have been equated with weakness. In the media, women are mainly portrayed as victims of violence and abuse. This demeans the very sort of intelligence that is needed by both men and women. We have established that forgiveness and intuition are, in fact, the only navigational tools available to get back to a sense of interconnectedness. Plus, they provide the will and means to care for each other and our environment in a meaningful way. As we are all one, these are only superficially feminine aspects. Masculine traits such as leadership, authority, and protectiveness are also available to both genders of all ages in any life circumstance.